Did you know you could make some money for simply taking photos? All you need to do is take photos and you can make money. Well, I've been taking a lot of photos, but I actually never knew there was this method until a couple of months ago, and it's been working so well, so I decided to just share this opportunity with you. You can actually take photos and make money, like reasonable money, just by taking photos. You don't need a fancy camera to take photos. You can just take photos with your phone and you can make a lot of money. So if you're interested in this method, just watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to explain to you what you need to do, how you need to do it, and you're going to make a lot of money for yourself. Don't make that mistake and skip through the video and all that. It's not a long video, just watch the video all the way to the end so that you can actually make money for yourself. This method I'm showing you is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this. Absolutely free, don't need to worry about spending money. It's available worldwide, wherever you are. If you're in Africa, Australia, America, South America, Asia, Europe, wherever you are, you can get access to this opportunity. So, before I show you this awesome method, please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button, subscribe. It is absolutely free to subscribe. It is free to subscribe. Just click subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I have a new video, you are going to get a notification. So, the website I'm going to show you today is called Fope. It's fope.com, Fope. Now, Fope, when you're on Fope, basically Fope is a place where you can, as you read here, time to make extra money with your videos and photos. But now we're going to be focusing on photos. So it's basically just uploading photos and making money. Simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash. When a brand agency or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or photo from your online Fope portfolio, we share the profit with you 50-50. So basically, for every photo that you upload, if somebody decides they want to buy it, you're going to get 50% of the money. So if you have maybe 100 photos uploaded, you're going to get 50% for every time somebody purchases your photo. It's absolutely awesome. Instead of just taking random photos and just keeping them on your phone, why don't you just take nice photos and upload them onto your profile? And if somebody decides to just like your photo and says, hey, I want this photo, they're going to buy the photo and you're going to get 50% for that specific photo. It's absolutely awesome. Now, this is available on the App Store and on the Play Store. So if you have a phone, which you do, an iPhone or an Android phone, just go onto the App Store or the Play Store and you can download it from there. Now, what you want to do, you want to click over here, and I want to show you something right now. When you click on active missions, there are some missions that you can do to make money. For example, we have here vertical captures. What is your favorite camera orientation when capturing photos? Horizontal, landscape, or vertical portrait? We hope it's the latter, as this mission is looking for awesome vertically oriented photos. So as you can see, the rules are simple. You can unlock up to 10 photo uploads in this mission. Every upload will cost some coins and will increase your winning chances. So they'll give you an example of the kinds of photos that they want you to upload. As you can see over here, these are the examples of what they would like you to upload. Now, if you win first place, you get $150 and you get 500 Fope coins. If you get second place, you get $100 and you get 250 Fope coins. If you get third place, you get $50 and 100 Fope coins. And the other 20 photos will get $10 each. So, as you can see over here, these are people who have uploaded and they want to win this competition. Different kinds of people that have uploaded. So you can actually just upload a nice photo, and if it beats all these other people, you are going to get number one, and you're going to get $150 and 500 FOP coins. As you can see, 2,363 people have already posted. So the competition is quite high. As you can see, everybody's posting, people are posting, because I mean, just for a photo, getting $150 just for a photo, I mean, it's awesome. So what you want to do, just go and take a nice photo. You can edit it, make it look really nice, make it unique, make it look at people are just taking photos of different kinds of things, you know. As you can see, just make it nice and unique. I mean, look at this. This is a nice photo, like a beer, and then there's like some chips, and it just looks cool. So that's what you want to do. There are different missions as well. Let's go back. We have here golden hour time. Golden hour is a time period during a sunrise or a sunset when the light appears softer and warmer. There are no harsh shadows, and sunshine doesn't create unpleasant highlights, meaning it's easier to capture fantastic photos. Have you already captured some? Show us then. So over here, rules are simple. You can unlock up to 10 photo uploads in this mission. Every upload will cost some coins and will increase your winning chances. First place photo will get $200, second place $100, third place $50. The other 45 photos will get $10 each. Examples. Okay, now people have uploaded. As you can see, people have uploaded. Very nice sun setting, sunshine. It's just some beautiful photos. And some people didn't actually use a fancy camera to take these photos. Somebody just took his phone and just edited it and made it look really nice. So you can just do that as well. You can just do that as well. And remember, 45 photos, the other 45 photos will get $10 each, which is also still something. And there are so many missions that you can do. So many missions. You can just browse through all the missions that are available. Now, it's not just about doing missions. I just wanted to show you that extra bonus. It is actually about you creating a portfolio and having photos available. So what you actually need to do is you need to create an account, which is absolutely free, and you're going to upload as many photos as you would like onto your portfolio. You want to upload many photos onto your portfolio, and when you have as many photos as you have onto your portfolio, it's going to appear on something we call the market. As you see, solutions, and there's something called the market. Let me show you. The market is where everybody who has uploaded photos, their photos actually appear over here. So now, for example, if I browse through, or any client browses through, and for example, he likes this photo or that photo and decides to buy it, if this photo is yours, you are going to get 50% of the purchase that the client actually bought the photo for. So what you want to do is just have a portfolio of a lot of photos. Just take random photos, edit them, make just nice photos, maybe 100 photos, 200 photos every day. Just be uploading photos, and it's eventually going to come onto here, and there's going to be some really nice photos, and one day somebody will just say, hey, wow, I like this photo, this is really nice. and he's going to click on it and just would like to actually purchase this photo. And when the person purchases the photo, you get 50% of the money. So it's absolutely amazing, and that's what you need to be doing. You just need to take a lot of photos, just upload them onto your profile, onto your portfolio, and one day somebody's just going to click on a nice photo of yours, and it's just some passive income that you can have, where one day you'll just wake up and you just look up and somebody has bought maybe 10 of your photos or 20 of your photos, and that's a lot of money. 30 of your photos. So just do that. It's really nice. As you can see, one single photo is $10. One photo is $10. So if you have a nice photo, there's somebody who will buy one photo for $10, and 20 photos is $180. 100 photos, $750. So imagine somebody just says, hey, I like 20 of your photos, just decides to buy 20 of your photos. You get $180. Somebody wants to buy 100 of your photos, $750. I mean, this is absolutely awesome. To be honest with you, it's really awesome. I advise you to do this. It's really working a lot because it's so easy to take photos. It's really easy to take photos. Just use your phone, take some nice unique photos. It could be about anything: a car, a bicycle, the mountain, the sky, the swimming pool, some food. I mean, these are all just nice photos. People are always looking for photos. We use photos every day, and you can make a lot of money for yourself. Well, I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, please comment your questions down in the comment section below. Like this video, please. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Turn on the post notifications so that you get a notification when I upload my new videos. Watch my playlist. I have a playlist with more videos that can help you to make more money online. Just watch them. And thank you so much for watching, and cheers.